Hi, today we are going to see how Ionic 4 framework is supported in Business Developer version 9.6. Here I've created a payment application from Ionic widgets in RBD. In this payment applications, we do have a menu over here with the submenus, home, profiles, and settings. We have three tabs. One is home page, another is to see the list of payments, and we have an add payment page over here. So let's start with the add payment. So I would select a payment, a category, description as amount. This is a fixed payment, and I can use the date. We have used IN date over here. And here, if you can see, I click on add. You can see a loading symbol being displayed, that we have used a loader controller, as well as an alert message would be displayed, for which we have used an alert. An alert message is displayed that the record is added successfully. So just let me refresh this. So as you can see in the payment details tab, we do have our payment being added over here, and if I click on delete, the payment is deleted. It is removed from the list, as well as the payment is deleted. Next, we can select on the uh, the iron card, and it will show you the details. This is done by iron navigation, where you can push and pop new components onto the navigation stack. So right now the payment details page is pushed onto the navigation stack, and you can see the details being visible over here. And if I click on this button, that is an iron nav back button, and if I click on that thing, the page is basically removed from the navigation stack. We also have a search bar over here, so I can search on search based on the payee name. So this is about the payment applications. Now let's see on the design perspective, as well as the source code. So in the iron navigation handler, as I said, it handles the navigation. So we do have an iron nav widget over here, which handles the push and pop operation from the navigation stack. And here we have set the root components as payment tabs. So that's why in the design view you can see the payment tabs page. On the payments tab page, we do have details for iron menu over here. We have set the iron item into an iron list, and iron list into an iron content, and iron content is associated with for that iron menu. And I'll click on the iron menu button. We have an open menu, and that open menu event opens the menu. We have a method for that thing, iron menu.open, which opens the menu and dismisses it whenever you click anywhere else on the page. We have tabs, iron tabs, and iron tabs is associated with three iron tab as children, and for each of these three iron tabs, we have an associated iron buttons for each of them: home, payment, list, and add payment. And these buttons are held together by an iron tab bar in the bottom. So we have given the slot as bottom, so that's why the tabs appear in the bottom. And we have an iron menu controller, which to open the menu, alternately it can be used to open the menu and close the menu. Then we have a list handler here, And in the list handler, we do have an ion search bar, and we have ion content, which contains the ion cards and the details of each of the payments over here. Then we have details handler. In details handler, we do have the ion back button, which is used to navigate back to the parent page, and the details are all under read mode only. Then we have the add handler, which contains the add and the clear. So two buttons, and when the button is clicked over here, an event is triggered, and we just remove the pre values which are there in the inputs. So that's all about an introduction on Ionic framework in RBD. Thank you.